In this video, we will show you how to replace your ambient light sensor on this Ford Fusion. This will be mounted directly to your front dash. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. This job should be pretty much straightforward. You can do this using a flat blade screwdriver. Now with this in the dash, you're going to be using your flat blade screwdriver. Carefully make your way in between the dash and the sensor itself and push in on the locking tab. You'll find that you have one on each side of the sensor. Once you depress it, you should be able to tilt this out a little bit. Do the same to the other side if needed and lift it up and out. After that, there is an electrical connector at the bottom. Let's carefully take that small pocket screwdriver, press up against the locking ear on one side here. There we go. Next, we'll disconnect the wiring harness from this. You'll find that you do have a locking tab holding it in place. Go ahead and depress that and separate the wiring harness. Be careful not to let the wiring harness fall inside the dash, and there it is, friend. Let's just give that wiring harness a quick inspection, and we can prepare for the installation of our brand new sensor. Got a little click from that. We'll give it a tug. You definitely want to make sure this is secure so that wiring harness doesn't come loose and fall inside of the dash while you're driving. Now we'll take this and slide it down into the dash and double check to make sure it's completely secure. Okay friend, we finished our installation. At this point, you can go ahead and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.